our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to connect Gemini with Gmail and Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to connect your Google Gemini with Gmail and Docs, all you gotta do is simply go and open your Google Workspace. So once you have opened your Google Workspace, you need to simply log in into your account. And once you have done this, you need to add a Gemini add-on. After you have done this as well, you need to then enable it in the settings and use the add symbol within the app or click the Gemini icon to prompt it for tasks like summarizing emails, drafting replies, or creating documents. You pulling context from other Workspace apps as needed. So if for Gmail, you can simply ensure your Workspace admin has enabled the Gemini add-on, and for Google Docs, you can open a doc and click on the Ask Gemini button or the Gemini icon in the top right corner. So after you have done this, you'll be able to connect your Google Gemini with Gmail and Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.